Guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to activate the auto scroll option on the TikTok and disable the manual scrolling. So let's open the TikTok app. Right now guys, we are on the For You page, the normal, and to activate this auto scroll mode, you just need to hold on the period video on the For You page and click on the auto scroll button on the menu. So guys, right now our videos will be scrolling automatically without any touches, but if you want to go back to this manual scrolling mode, you just need to tap on the period K at this right side of the screen, and right now we need to scroll manually each of the videos. So guys, I hope that this tutorial definitely was very easy and useful. If it was, don't forget about likes and check our other guides on the channel about the TikTok and other apps. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.